Here's a quick video showing you how to filter and apply labels and the difference between individual labels and group labels. So we have a list of contacts here, and some of them have already got labels, and we can filter this list by clicking the label above the contacts and clicking one of the labels, and it will filter to that particular label. You can also see here it says matching any of CEO and contractor, and we can click matching all of here, and you can see we have no contacts that match all of those. If I actually remove contractor and click developer, you'll see that it matches me on both those labels, or actually any of those labels will also bring back Cristiano. So that's how the filtering works. The filtering is also available in the export. So if you click CSV, you can do exactly the same here and export CEO, for example, and developer. And we can switch that, matching any of, and then export like that, and it will generate an export for the label. So that's how you filter by labels. If we jump across back to the address book, to apply labels, it's very straightforward. You just pick a contact, and then there's this edit label option here. And you can either pick from an available label, and when you do that, it will just add the new label in. And to remove, you just find the applied labels and click the cross, and that will take the label away. If it's a label that you don't yet have, for example, supplier, you can just type it, and when you type the label, it'll actually let you select a color as well. And you can change the colors of labels in the address book settings down here. So it says it's not found that label, and we'll just add supplier there, and then you can see it adds that brand new label. And then when we click into another label, that label will also be part of the available labels. Once the last instance of the label has actually been taken off, when you come back in, that won't be there anymore, but you can type supplier again and add it, and it'll add it back in. So you can remove labels and add them as such, like just like that. The other type of label we've got are group labels, and these are interesting because I can add as many standard labels to a contact as I want, and they'll just keep adding up like this. But with a group label, what I can do is I can create a beginning part of the label, just type a colon character here, and then that preceding bit, rank, becomes the actual group, and then the value that you supply afterwards is the actual label part that you want. So rank lead, just as an example, let's, I don't know, give this a green color. And what I can then do is I can come across to another contact, for example. We can do, I don't know, rank secondary, maybe. And that's going to be the same group as our rank lead. And what that means is if we come back into one of these contacts, when I go to select rank lead or rank secondary, it's going to only permit one of those labels. So I can't have more than one rank label. So there you go, you can see it's switched that label. So just to say again, we just type the beginning bit that we want, and then a colon, and then that's going to create the prefix for the labels, and then anything else you put afterwards. So for example, pipeline 1, and then you can come into another one and do pipeline 2, for example. So that's how group labels work, and they can definitely be useful for the CartApp connections as well. So you can restrict based on that, knowing that a contact can only appear in one particular group label. You can see here, it's only the actual group pipeline or rack that's actually, they can only be in one, so they can be in multiple group labels as long as the prefix is different. So pipeline 1, rank secondary, like this. So the other thing to mention is we can hold down the control key and select, the command key on Mac, or control key probably on PC. We can select multiple contacts here. So we've got 3 or 4 contacts selected. We click that here, and that's going to show me the selected contacts here. I can apply labels here in bulk, so I can remove labels, and it's going to show me all the applied labels. So let's remove the rank pipeline ones. We'll save that, and then you might need to refresh the screen, and that's going to have removed those labels. And then again, with these contacts, we can also apply multiple labels. So we can make everyone, say, for example, contractor or a friend, for example, and then we click apply label. So it's going to apply 2 labels. And then that's going to just refresh that, and you can see that it's applied those labels as well. So that's how you do it with the multi-select. If you want to clear that selection, you can just click clear. It's going to remove that selection. You can also use the shift key, so you can select multiple contacts that way as well. And there you go. So that's labels and how you apply them and how you filter. Hopefully this is helpful, and enjoy using the product. Thanks.